Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to reset your Amazon Smart Thermostat, or how to factory reset your Amazon Smart Thermostat. So in order to do this, all you're going to do is you're going to take 3 fingers and you're going to press across these bottom 3 buttons, and you're going to hold those down, and then it's going to go into a countdown in reset mode. So we've got all 3 of our fingers there. It's going into reset. You're going to let off, and then what you're going to do is just hold down on this center button here until it goes all the way through the countdown. Now you can let go once it's gone through the countdown. Now we're back to this screen that says set. That means that this can be set back up on your phone and controlled from your phone. So if you just moved into a house with an Amazon Smart Thermostat and you need to reset this so that you can set it up on your phone, once you've got it here, you can now set it up. So if you want to watch a setup video, you can click one of the links below and it's going to go through the entire setup process. So thank you for watching this video on how to factory reset your Amazon Smart Thermostat, or how to reset your Amazon Smart Thermostat. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any links below if you want to support us. Thank you.